Hey people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. It feels so good to be back again today with some juicy, spicy and hot information. Yes. All right, I hope you've all been keeping safe and I believe you all are doing well. Yeah, so what's happening today? Let me go straight to the like today I'll be taking you along as I go shopping for my fabrics. Yes, like you know that I'm into hair accessories. So now that everything seems normal and we're back to business, because I should confess this, I practically abandoned the business during the pandemic. Like I had a lot of anxiety issues that I was dealing with, and getting that was not just part of what I wanted to do. So like it was on hold for the period. I don't know, that's the story for another day anyway. So I'm going in shopping for my fabrics and some other things that I would need. Yeah, and as we go, I would also be talking about business ideas that you could start, not necessarily sewing. I've had tons of questions in my email of people asking me like, oh, they actually know how to sew, but they just don't have time to start sewing. So they are thinking of what other ways can they monetize their sewing skills. So in this video, I'll be sharing other ways that you can monetize your sewing skills. Does this sound interesting to you? Is this something you want to know about? So all you need is grab your seats, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, why? On this channel, I get to talk about business ideas, ways on how you can monetize and improve your business, and skills. And I get to talk about my business. I'm taking you downtown for you to see where I shop for my fabrics, my African prints here in Canada. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. And to all my existing subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your encouragement. Like I always say, you make this happen every time I just be top of mind, you know. All right, so let's just go into it. In today's video, I am featuring Audacious Super. Please check out channel out. Anything business tips, fashion, and life nuggets generally. She shares it on her channel. Thank you. The first thing you can do is create a digital course teaching people how to sew. Like teach people the basic of sewing. This is a lifetime thing. It's not something you get to do every day. Just do one product, put it on all the platforms like Udemy, like Skillshare, and you get money. That's one thing you can do. Secondly, you can be a fashion consultant. You can consult for models. You can consult for fashion companies. That's something you can do. Like you can do this online and get paid as well. Then number 3, you can start a fashion blog. Write about fashion. Tell people about sewing. You could talk about fabrics and like your knowledge about fabrics. These are ideas of what you can put in your blog. So that's the way you make money online without sewing. Then number 4, join affiliate programs that are sewing related or fashion related, and you can put this affiliate link on your website, or you could create a YouTube page just for fashion or sewing and put your affiliate link there as well. These are ways you make money online. Start selling your design and sketches in PDF formats. You can help people that knows how to sew or that have time to sew by sketching designs for them and sell it online. These are other ways you make money. Then you can start selling fabrics in yard. You know, most times when people sell fabric, they sell bundle, but you could start selling online by measuring in meters or the yardage, and you can sell this on Etsy. You can sell on Amazon Handmade or any other website that allows such products. You don't have to sew for you to make money. Sell fabrics. And the last one, which I do very well, is sell handmade products. Handmade product could be pillowcases made in prints. It could be hair accessories like I do. So these are ways you make money as well. And these handmade products don't take so much time, I can tell you that. Wow, so we are here. Let's go in. Can you see everything has changed completely? This is where I get my fabrics, and whenever I come here, is at loss on what to pick. Can you see these three? This is so interesting. I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I've not seen something like this in a very long time. Oh wow. So whenever I'm here, I go around this store. I know what I want, but I still, like, whenever I'm in a fabric store, I am always confused on which to select. I always call a friend or talk to my husband about it, like, oh, I am lost, I don't know which one to pick. Can you see this Ghanaian print? This really sold well. This Ghanaian print on my Etsy store, it really sold well. Can you see all the prints? I'm always like confused, I don't know which one to pick. I always call a friend, like, please help me. Hey. Wow. So this is where I get my fabrics. I go around the store. Every time I come there, I try, because it's like 50 minutes or 45 minutes drive from my city, so I optimize my visits. Can you see? Always confused, not sure of what to pick. I'm sure I was speaking to a friend, yeah. Like my usual self, whenever I'm in this store, I always have a friend that I call, like, okay, let me show you around, which one do you think? Like, I do that, and I'm sure at this point this is what I'm doing. All right, let's just go around the store and see what they have. Like, it's an Indian store, so they have a lot of Indian fabrics. I just try to look down to see if there's anything more, anything else. I really don't want to come back here thinking of what again. Yeah, what is your take on no refund or no exchange policy? Please put it in the comment section. And off we go. Let's go home now. That's been a trip for me, and on our way home something happened. This is what happened. Like, because it's not so far away, I just said, okay, let me just look around the mall if there's anything interesting happening in the mall. But then I must tell you that I was really put off. You see why I said I was put off now. It's not, you see, can you see the crowd? As in, everything has changed completely. My god, if you want to go shopping, you have to think twice now. Wow. I'm not sure. I did not buy anything. I think this was the only store that there was no queue. We just walked in and I looked around. I just had a lot of thoughts in my mind, like, why is everywhere like this? Why the queue? As in, it's so I wouldn't say depressing, but it provoked a thought in me, like, is this what we'll be doing? How long would this go on for? Well, whatever you feel in the comment section about the new normal, please put it in the comment section. What's your take on it? I'm a bit I would say disturbed about it. Like, how long would this go for? All through that day in that mall, that was what I was just thinking, with the crowd, with the queue. Like, it was a reflective moment for me. I was like, is this how it will go on? How can we get out of this situation happening around now? Like, I had a thought-provoking moment. Everybody just queuing because we want to walk into a store. Things are not the way it used to be. I don't know. Please, let's talk in the comment section. What do you think? Have you gone shopping since the pandemic was over? What happened, and what's your take on that? Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoy going fabric shopping with me. Yes. So, and another thing I want your help with, if there's any question you have on starting handmade products or handmade business, please put it in the comment section. I would also put the I would also put the question up in my community tab, so you can go to my community tab afterwards to check the question, answer the questions, and in my subsequent videos I'll talk more about handmade products. Thank you so much. If you've watched this video to this very end and you've not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so that when I upload new videos you always come to watch my videos. All my existing subscribers, thank you, you guys rock. Keep your emails coming in, and let's continue to impact the world with knowledge and information. Until I come again some other time, bye now. Today I'll be going downtown. No, I'm not going downtown. That's my neighbor's dog.